Hello guys, it has been a while. It's Otaki once again. This video I will show you how to use Fable 5 since it is like was banned from USA citizen and now it's gonna be come back for the usage of the Anthropic API. So guys, first thing that you need, and I always advise you guys to download the Anthropic cloud on your desktop. Second, you will check here the chat one. I have a lot of chassis anyway. So it's like per default you're gonna be Sonnet 5, there is Opus 5, and there is Fable 5. The thing is here how to gonna be using the Fable 5, which is you need to have some credits in your accounts to loading because it require you to use API credits. So please guys use API credits, buy them so in order to use Fable 5 Anthropic. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Peace.